In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Airtable record from your scenario. Let's get started by opening your scenario. This is the workspace where your automation lives, and it's where we'll add the piece that talks to Airtable. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right scenario so the new step fits smoothly into your existing flow. Now, click the plus button to add a new module. This opens the catalog of apps and actions you can plug into the scenario. In the search field, type Airtable so the integration appears right away. You'll see a list of available actions. Choose Create a Record. This action does exactly what it sounds like. It inserts a new row into an Airtable table whenever your scenario runs, using the data you provide. Next, you'll need to connect your Airtable account. Click Add Connection. A small window will prompt you for credentials. Have your Airtable API key ready and paste it into the field provided. Keep this key private and never share it publicly. If there's an option to name the connection, pick something descriptive so you can recognize it later, especially if you manage multiple bases. With the connection established, select the base you want to work with. This is the Airtable base that contains the table where new records should go. After that, select the specific table. Make sure you choose the table that matches the data your scenario will produce, since fields and data types can vary across tables. Now it's time to map fields. On the left, you'll see your Airtable column names. On the right, you'll provide values from your scenario. Map every required field first to avoid errors. Match data types carefully: dates to date fields, numbers to numeric fields, and single or multiple selects to the exact option names defined in Airtable. If your scenario might not always have a value, consider providing a sensible default to keep records consistent. Keep text clean and formatted, and double-check any calculated values so they align with Airtable's expectations. Thoughtful mapping here saves a lot of troubleshooting later. When everything looks correct, click OK to confirm the module settings. This closes the configuration window and locks in your choices. Finally, click Save to preserve your scenario changes. Saving ensures your new Airtable Create a Record step is ready the next time your scenario runs, capturing data exactly where you want it. And that's it, you've connected your scenario to Airtable and set it up to create records reliably.